Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to learn how to create a splash screen. So let's start a new Android Studio project. Select an empty activity. Next I will name it as splash screen demo and finish it. So what is splash screen? Guys, splash screen is the first screen visible to the user when the application is launched. Splash screen is one of the most vital screens in the applications since it is the user's first experience with the application. Because we whenever we start an application, it is the screen that loads first. The main concept to use the splash screen is to display some animation, typically the logo or we can say some GIF of company, and it is an illustration while some data from the next screen are fetched. It means it is a smart way to fetch the data without showing any loading time to the user. So to do this we will need two activity. One will be our splash screen and the another activity will be our welcome activity from where we would pass on the controller. So I will create one more activity, new activity, Android empty activity, and give it as a name as welcome activity. Okay, so my welcome activity is created. Now in welcome activity I will place a text view. This text view will just for me to show some message that yes, we have passed on to the another activity. So I will set the bounds. Okay, so from this attribute palette I will add and text to it like welcome to the class. Okay, I will increase the size of text from here that is under the common attribute section. I will write is at 30 dp, so I would get a bigger text so that it is easily shown. I'll name it as text view label. Okay, so my work is done from here. Now in the main activity we need an image. Okay, so we will take an image, place it into resources drawable folder. So whenever we start our application, it will fetch the image from the drawable folder. So I have one image. I will select one image from my computer, just copy it and right click on drawable folder, paste. I am pasting it in the drawable v24. Okay, I will name it as background and okay. So here you can say my image is successfully imported in my project. Now in the XML file, layout file, I will remove this text view. Now I will select image view from the palette, drag and drop it over here and find for the background image I have placed. Okay, it is not showing me my image, so no problem, I will choose this star, press enter. So here it comes. I'll just maximize it and place it here. With the help of infa constraint I constrained it. Okay, so my image is placed. Basically it doesn't happen. Let us try one more time. I just deleting this, right click, paste. Okay, background done. I am just selecting image once again. Okay, here my image comes. So here you can see my image has been changed. Okay, so now I will code for it. So in main activity we will use handler to do this. With handler we will use a function that is post delayed. So I'll write the code. Handler dot post delayed. This is a function which delays the process for a specific time. Basically this is used with handler, which allows you to send and process message and runnable object associated with a thread. We can also say that each handler instance is a single thread. So each instance of the handler is a single instance of a thread. Okay, so in post delayed we will create a curly braces, and in this we will write a code to send this activity to our welcome activity. So whenever the specific period of time get overs, our application will shift to the another activity. So to do this I will just write start activity I will give the application context. Okay, I'm getting some error. Let me see what is the problem. I think it must be in handler. Okay, I'll give it a delay of 5000. Okay, start activity. It happens sometimes whenever the system is loading the resources. So this is the delay after how many milliseconds the screen should change or the screen should wait. So I have give it as a 5000 milliseconds, that is 5 seconds. So for 5 seconds we will see our splash screen. So after that 5 seconds we want to move it on to the welcome activity. So we will start an activity, and with the help of intent we will do it. So in intent I will pass the application context, that is this. I will import the intent and I will pass this control to my welcome activity. So welcome activity, place 2 colons, and it will give me the class Java. So here we are done. I'll just press I will save the code and run the code. So whenever application will launch, it will wait for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds of delay it will go to the welcome activity and show me the message that we have written in welcome activity.kt file. So the Gradle build is in the process. Wait for some time. Okay, so our activity is launched. We can see the splash screen right over here, and after the splash screen it comes to another activity. So okay, we are good. So our code is working very fine, but I don't want this to come over my application. So to remove this I will update my code. In the values folder I will create a style sheet, a custom style sheet that will ignore this splash screen demo that is coming right over here. Okay, so do this. I will create one style. Name of that style will be app theme dot no action bar, because this is known as an action bar. So splash screen is basically always a full screen image. So whenever we load a splash screen, it should be in a full screen mode. So I will give it one item attribute whose name will be Windows no title. So I don't need the title of the window, so I will place it as true. Another thing is that I want a full screen. I want my application to be in the full screen, so I will use Android colon window full screen, and I will set it as true. One more and important thing is that I don't want any action bar on my loading screen. So window action bar, I will do it as false. Okay, so we have successfully created a theme whose name is app_theme.noActionBar. So to implement this theme, we will go to the manifest file. We will place it into the main activity. Here is our main activity. In main activity, I will just press space and write theme. Here it will appear android.theme. Okay, here you can see in style there is one theme, that is app_theme.noActionBar. That is our custom made theme. I will just select this and enter. Okay, so my theme has been successfully applied. So let's rerun the code and see what does appear to us. So as you can see, we have got a splash screen that is in the full screen mode, and it is coming to next activity, that is say welcome to the class. There is one more problem. Whenever you press back, it goes back to our splash screen. So this is not a good way to see this. So to remove this, we will just add a single line after this activity, that is finish. This function will destroy the instance of this activity. So let's check, does it work or not. I will rerun the code. Okay, so this is my splash screen, and after 5 seconds it goes to my welcome activity, and now whenever I press back, it will exit the application. So that's all for today. Thank you.